Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to get a really strong early game sword called the Lainlyn DragonSword, which does fire damage on hit and absorbs fatigue. Now, to get this particular sword, we're going to have to go into the Battlehorn Castle, into the basement, and murder a few undead in a hidden area. And to get here, all you have to do is go to the west of the capital. You can teleport to the North Country stables outside of Chorrol, and then just follow this little road up here until you get to Battlehorn Castle. Now, once we get to the front of this particular castle, we're going to need to do a little bit of cleanup. We're just going to kill a few marauders, you know, nothing particularly crazy. Although these guys actually have some pretty good ebony gear, so you could probably yoink that if you wanted to. And so anyway, when we're done clearing out all of the bandit marauders, this is our castle now. You know, he's got to beat up like 3 people, and now you get to have a free castle. What's not to love? So once you have the run of the place, we're going to need to find our way down into the basement. Here we go. So we're looking for this archery table and this archery stand, and one of these particular candelabras is activatable to open up this magical hidden doorway back here. Everyone's favorite. So once we go down into here, we just have to dispatch some less than savory fellas. Some undead, and there's probably like a lich or something down here, you know. Or just kill Lord Cain. Just pummel a lich to death just for fun, because it's really funny. So once you're done killing the lich down here and his undead minion, the skeleton with the sword and the shield, you will find the aforementioned DragonSword of Lainlyn, which has fire damage on strike, 15 points of it, and absorbs fatigue on strike, 18 points. And it's a really nice sword. It does a lot of damage. I mean, like, just out of the box, it does 7 damage. It's got a 36 weight, and it's worth, like, almost 2,000 gold. And it's really strong, and I've been using it for a good chunk of the game's playthrough. So I fully recommend it. You can see it here. It looks kind of cool, even when you're in your skivvies. It pairs really nicely with some Daedric armor. If you haven't seen my other guide on how to get this armor for free from the runestones so that it never disappears. And yeah, that's it. You just go to this fort, kill some bandits, you get the fort for free, go to the basement, find the hidden passageway behind the archery block, kill the necromancer and his minion, and the sword's on the skeleton dude. That's it. Hope you enjoy. There's some other good loot down here and a cool little note about who the necromancer is. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.